All right, all right, all right. So, welcome to another video. I have here a Samsung A30 is not turning on. Basically, according to the customer, this dropped it on the water and display the display is blinking, and then the customer decided not to power it on, put it on the rise for a few hours, and then he did not use the phone for a long time, like a year. So right now there's no sign of life on this phone. Plug in the charger, no vibrate, no power on the display. No display and no power. If you press power button, nothing happens. So basically it's a dead boot. So we need to investigate why it's not turning on. First thing that we need to do is disassemble the phone. Let's remove first the SIM card tray. So what's going on here? Let's remove the SIM trays out. And we'll need to remove the back cover first. So this LCD has been replaced before, so it's no longer the original LCD. So let's see here. Okay, let's apply some heat on the back cover and then pry it. So we gotta be careful of this because there's a fingerprint. So we don't want to damage the fingerprint. So the back cover is just plastic, so we don't have to worry about breaking it. Unlike other cell phones, the other cell phones has a glass cover, back cover. All right, so there, back cover is out. We can remove it, but yeah, we can remove it using this prying tool and then screwdriver. So hopefully we can recover this phone. Customer wants to retrieve the pictures on this phone, but it's gonna be difficult to fix it because it's not turning on. So hopefully we can fix it. So we remove the screws, which are screw like here, and just remove the cover. Okay, so. Get ready. Alright, so we've removed the middle cover. So what's going on here? So basically there should be power here if we insert a, maybe this port is already damaged. So let's see here. Okay, let's go. Let's get this voltmeter and test. So if I plug in charger here, let's monitor if there's voltage. So there's no voltage. So that's the problem. Basically, it's a problem on the charging board. So remove this guy. Let's remove this. Most likely the problem is just here on this charging board. Let's remove this guy. See? Signs of liquid damage. So we're gonna get alcohol to clean it. That's basically the problem. There should be voltage. Here. So there's a lot of signs of liquid damage. That might be the issue. Let's try again. Let's wait until it dries and then test it. We have damage here. Nothing, but we have damage or liquid damage here. So let's just clean it. Put it up. Alright, so let's focus on the charging board. So if we insert the charger here and monitor if there's a voltage on this port. Actually, do we have voltage here? Here, nothing. So no sign of power. No sign of power anywhere. Here, no sign of power. Oh, there we go. So just very small amount of power. Wait, that's probably that's 0.18, very low. Is that enough power? 0.15 volts. We have power here, here. Anyway, 0.15 volts. Let's put it back to the to the body. So let's attach this guy, and then we're gonna monitor if there's voltage in this other end of the flex cable. Let's remove the battery first. Let's monitor if there's power on that other end of the. Then let's attach this guy. So we'll monitor if there's power here. It seems that there's a damage. Anyway, let's go ahead and attach it. Oops. Okay. Do we have power? Here. Where's the positive? Where's the positive? Anyway, figure that out. Do we have power? There is 1 volt. We do have power. So we have now power. Should reach. So we should have power here. It's gonna supply power on the battery. But let's see if battery has a power. Positive is here, and so battery still has a power, 3 volts, so still has power. Let's monitor this power on the battery port. Okay, there is okay. So let's see if we can power it on. Where's the power button? Power button. It's right here. Power button is here. But what I can do is let it charge for a few minutes. Let's put it. Let's put the middle cover back so we don't damage anything here. Okay, let's put it back and then charge it. Yes, it's reacting. So let's just wait for it. It's reacting. Okay, it's vibrating. I think it's getting power. Wait, so here, what I can do is test the LCD guy and see if we can see some display and attach it to here. No, they don't fit. They're different. I think they're different. They're different. So not this one. This is for A20. Not this one. Okay, we don't have a stock LCD for this, and we need to order. Okay, thank you. No display. Unbox this new LCD. Alright. No crack. Looks good. The port. No damage. Good. There's a free tempered glass and manual and tissue with and covers out. We can insert the LCD here at the back. So it's gonna look like that, and then attach this to the LCD, this cable. Attach it to the LCD, and then attach the battery. And then let's power it on. So where's the power on? It's on the power on is on the cover. So if we press this guy, which one is the power? Let's see here. This one. Let it power on. Or this one. Nothing. Maybe it's low bat. We can try charging it. Let me just get the charger. Okay. Do you have display? We don't. Wait. No display, not turning on. There we go. It's charging. There's display. There's display, which is good. Good sign. 64%, so there should be enough battery. We should be able to power it on. So let's go ahead and power it on. There we go. I felt it vibrate. So just want to make sure that touch is working. Alright, good. Okay, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Touch is working. Yep, touch is working. Good. Remove this guy, turn it off, and assemble it properly. Remove this one. Yeah. Remove that one first. Let's attach the LCD. So let's remove this one so we can easily attach it. There. So what we can do is alright, so that's enough. Let's assemble the phone. Let's charging board. Alright, let's touch LCD. Alright, let's turn it on first. Make sure it's on. Yeah. That's it. Need more and more. Right, power. Going down. Going down. Going up. Good. Okay. Go on. Just stay here. Stay now. Stay. Stay. Yeah, now go screws. Then you go in the scanner and wait about it. If we okay. All right, that should get. Clean up.